Yes, Lily.
Can I put some rice in your plate?
Yes, please. Say, can I serve you, teacher?
Can I serve it?
Yes. Why don't you get my plate? This is good.
Can I have
Be careful, okay? Don't drop it.
Can I have beans? More? Or
That's fine. Thank you so
can I
much.
serve this?
Yes, you can. Thank you.
And I should get please.
Thank you, Ana Júlia. Say, is it good?
Is it good?
That's perfect. Thank you so much. Of course, girls. You're so polite.
Can I serve meat?
Sure. That's fine. A little bit of lettuce, please.
Is it?
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
And beans.
Yes, a little bit of beans on the rice, please. Perfect, girls. Thank you so much. How about juice? Would you like some juice?
Can I have beans? Don't have candies today.
We don't have candies today. You know that.
Today.
What is the day we have
Today
candy?
have salad fruit.
Fruit salad.
Papaya.
Papaya we have today. That's great. Who loves papaya? Raise your hand. Only Lara. You don't like papaya, Lily? Come on. Lily, serve yourself. You only put rice on your plate so far.